Alright boys, welcome back to Cruel Diesel. Here we got Dayton once again, week after week. What are we doing today?
We are getting a drift car, my drift car.
Yeah, Dayton's had this car for a while. He actually bought it before he moved down to Tennessee, correct? And then I've never seen this car. He's had it for well over a year and a half, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I've had it, probably 2 years at least.
He's had it getting built at what shop?
HDT Automotive.
So we're going to pick up today. It's about 3.5 hours away. I mean, an all-day trip. We got the 3rd gen loaded up here with the good old 22-foot Lamar. These are custom-made ramps so the car can fit on this trailer. Even though the trailer is like this easy load type thing, these cars tend to be pretty low. So let's get after it, bud.
All right.
Let's get after it here. 3rd gen ripping today. A crisp 30 degrees out here in Pennsylvania. Still will be for the next couple months. All right, so it is currently about 3 hours later since we departed from Dayton's shop here. We're going to pick up the car. Dayton, are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Dayton's very excited. He's also nervous.
Why am I nervous?
I don't really know why I said that.
I just hate this town, like driving on these like single, small, tight.
Yeah,
streets.
look how tight this intersection is, boys.
I don't know how they get in and out of here all the time with their race
Look
cars.
at that. So the place that we're going to is HDT Automotive, is where Dayton's car is, and we're pulling in right now. Supposedly they build some pretty nice cars. Dayton's car didn't get the full works. He just got everything dialed up to make sure it I don't know, runs and drives good, right?
So I can hold up to the abuse of drifting.
We'll run down the rap sheet here in a little bit for you guys, but for now, we're gonna go get this car loaded up. All right, so I guess Dayton's car is in that shop right there, I think, but we're gonna park the truck out back here, get it all suited up. He's got those ramps ready, because obviously, even though this trailer is kind of like a small car trailer, drift cars tend to be a little bit lower. So I'm gonna get Dayton all parked up and get everything situated. Shut her down, Dayton, shut her down. Old girl needs a break.
He's working with this turbo.
Oh yeah. Dayton has a 2nd gen swap with a big turbo on his truck, so not the best hauler in the world, gets the job done, of course. Dayton, what are we doing here?
Come over the Rams. He might be running late.
Dial.
There's the box for it there. So I mean, we can pull it out and look at it outside the light too, but you can see at least the intake comes up, it hooks back up with the lines and stuff.
Oh, she's rough, Dayton.
Yeah. Did you turn it up at all, or you
Looks good. It's a lot lower than a truck is, ain't it?
Yeah.
Dayton's got that custom gold powder coat on there. That thing looks crazy.
Did not smoke that before.
Oh, it's cold. It's all right. Here's Dayton. What do you think?
I missed it. Brackets there for the other caliper, but I got new caliper there. It's got new rotors. I went to the Z32 setup.
Painted silver, the same color as your 3rd gen, huh?
I'm getting new fenders, so ignore those. The hood is gonna get all realigned and everything.
This powder coat is wild, brother.
So it's I think it's a chrome base. It's
Gold.
like flaming orange or something like that. Has a illusion clear. So
Yeah.
it's like a 3-layer.
All right, Dayton brought the wood planks just because of how low this car is. It ain't got a front bumper on it though, Dayton. Maybe be all right.
You guys raised it up a little bit.
Sounds good, Dayton. Close the trunk, Dayton. Yeah, sounds good.
Turbo. Water's like crazy.
Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Not bad for a beginner.
Yeah, this is my seat time car. Eventually, I need a full roll cage. Kind of want an engine upgrade too.
Yeah.
I'm thinking RB car.
Like you need an interior, bud. Or just leave it just the way it is. Cut all that stuff out and just lightweight.
I definitely need matching seats though.
I would just take that 2nd seat right out.
No, you're gonna want to ride.
Definitely not a truck, is it? What's he testing out? Just the angle of the steering? Or
I think either probably for your video or just for him to feel the
car.
alignment,
Yeah.
you know, feel the suspension or whatever.
You're rubbing somewhere?
Yeah, that pulled
Load her up, Dayton. All right, you're good. Oh, man. No problem whatsoever. Actually went on a lot easier than we thought it was going. Later with the drift car here. WD-40 on this thing. First hookup for the med cab all year long, boys. It's a little icy here. If I could just take all the salt on my truck and put it on the parking lot, we'd be golden. Not bad. This guy just does not care whatsoever. Four-wheel drive burnout? Are you guys kidding me? First one ever? Dayton, brother, where are we doing today?
hopefully not get in trouble.
I think we should get in trouble.
No.
You guys want to see us get in trouble? Come on now. This thing's been sitting outside for 5 days, Dayton. She needs to get warm, brother. She needs a paint job. She's been wrapped up for the past 5 days since we went and picked her up, and now she's ready to rip. Valentine's Day, not really the unwrapping you want to do, but whatever. Oh, there she is. Oh yeah, she's cold. Oh yeah. Oh god, good so far. Keep her going. She's low.
Oh my god.
What?
All too wide.
Dang, this is tight in here. I'm gonna try getting in. I don't even know. Oh my god. I haven't sat in the car this. Oh man, that hugs me. I haven't been in a car this small in a really, really long time. Ain't no 4th gen Cummins, I can tell you that. Let's see how many miles you got. 188 up in there. Not bad, not bad. Missing a horn, Dayton. Oh, Jesus. I give you props, Dayton. That's tight. Hey, it's rolling. It's rolling. Oh, God. Jeff, just stay right there, bud. Old mega cab out here doing God's work, just like normal. Mega cab build coming soon, boys. This real carbon fiber right here. Woo. Huh? Something just cracked.
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes. There you go. Oh yeah, she don't like that at all.
Fast and Furious back in high school.
Yeah, dude.
It brings it back.
It sounds good. I'm gonna take it for a rip real quick. Try and get some rollers for you guys, of course, even though it's -5 degrees outside. This car is 100% legal.
Watch the ECM.
Brother.
Lots of.
What's up with your wiring there?
Get a standalone setup eventually.
We might get electrocuted during this ride along, boys. All right, boys. Hopefully this doesn't end up like the Jeep video. There it goes.
Driving in boots, by the way.
Yeah.
Steel toe boots. That's how we're doing it.
Still allowed to criticize them. Just a heads up. Oh, squirrely. That's a camber, I'm assuming, that's grabbing.
No, yeah, this thing's made for drifting. Like, you're not supposed to let go of the steering wheel.
Yeah.
It's touchy.
Window don't work.
No, that one don't work.
The car itself sounds really good.
A lot of noises, like, I don't have my firewall bolted down, the fender's not bolted correctly.
Yeah, this car has 0 insulation, 0 sound dampening, whatever in it left. So you can hear all the rocks and pebbles or whatever. Yeah, it's kind of freezing cold out. He doesn't have an e-brake, and car is 100% legal. We don't want to get the cops called on us. So. What's that?
Hitting like a boost cut.
Yeah, I can hear it. It's like trying to cut out a little bit. Might be -5 degrees out, boys, but that'll get you warmed up right there.
Alright, put on low boost.
Low boost?
Yeah, I just changed it to.
You gonna do it again? Start cutting out,
Yeah,
just like it was running really good.
A little smoke coming from here. That was
Where?
oil coming from my engine tunnel.
Oh yeah. It's definitely not the tires, so whatever it is,
Yeah.
it's getting hot.
Hard to tell. It's almost just like it's fluid burning off the side of the engine or something. It's on low boost. And it said it hit 14 pounds.
I fix this fender, it keeps squeaking. Not good, not good.
Not right.
Huh?
That one's not right.
You sent that one. All right, look at that shot. That's gorgeous right there. Good old long bed and the drift smoke. So it's a good day, boys. Done filming rollers for you guys. I'm froze. It's all right though. Oh, Longhorn chase vehicle today? Not bad. Oh, what's wrong, brother? Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so touchy. You're just like, just a little bit and you're going.
Boys, that's it. Drift car officially on the channel. We have our first show coming up. Actually, we're going to our first show tomorrow, but that's not our first show with the trucks. Our first show with the trucks is at Fitzgerald Performance down in Tennessee. We're really excited for that show. If you guys are there, we'll see you there. New merch coming out soon. Until next time, see you later.